Hi everyone, welcome back to SK World. Today in this tutorial, I will show you how to automate API test run using the Postman CLI. Instead of running collection manually inside Postman, we can run them directly from the command line, making our testing process much faster and more efficient. This is especially useful when you are working with CI/CD pipelines or scheduling automated tests. Few are the benefits of running collection by CLI. Automations run your collection without opening the Postman app. You can integrate with Jenkins, GitHub, or GitLab. You can schedule run collections automatically at specific time with tools like cron jobs. So let's begin now. Practically, I will show you how you can run your collection by CLI. So let's begin. In previous tutorial, I have explained in a detail about data-driven testing, performance testing, SOAP APIs. So you can watch this video. I will suggest you first watch this video, then watch this video. So let's begin. This is collection, which is user. Inside this collection, two requests. One is login API, and here method is post for login, and this is the URL. This is base URL, and this is the path. Inside this, for login, you need to enter email and password for login. And the second request is get user, which is used for get user list, and here method is get because you want to fetch the data from the server, so you need to select here get. Now practically I will show you how you can run this collection by CLI. Click on this three dot and then click on run. After clicking on this run, you can view here run sequence. You can change here sequence if you want to change sequence. So here in Postman, option available for running in a sequence, and you can deselect all and you can select all by clicking on this, and you can reset. So if you made changes here and you want to make reset, so click on this reset, and here you can view login API first, and the second request is get you user. Now here right hand side you can choose how to run your collection. Now you can run this collection by manually. Suppose you want to run this collection by manually, you just need to click on this one, and this collection will be run. This is test cases, response code 200, response content type application JSON, and token is non-empty string. The token length must be greater than 0. This is the test I have mentioned in script. In script, you can view post response I explained here. Status code, this one, and application content type. Now we can run this collection by manually, so we just need to click on run button, and the second option available, click on this run. You can schedule runs. Suppose you want to run this collection weekly basis, so you need to select here week timer, and you want to every Monday at 12 a.m. So this collection will be run at this time. And if you have any environment, so you can select here environment. In previous tutorial, I have explained in a detail about the environment. You can watch this video. And here in iteration section, you can set maximum 50. And if you have any data file, so you can select either JSON or CSV file. Postman only supported this format, JSON and CSV. If you want to enter user data, suppose you want to enter login credentials in CSV file and read the data from CSV file, so you can select file here. Now scroll up, and here third option is automate run via CLI. For running by CLI, first step is run on Postman CLI. Install Postman CLI. Here two options for installing Postman via CLI. Use this command. You need to run this command on CMD. Here you can view on Mac, Linux or Windows subsystem for Linux. And the second option is click on this, install the Postman CLI. Click on this, it will open this link in a browser. Install the Postman CLI. Scroll down, and here this is the command npm installation for Windows, but you need to install Node.js before running this command. Make sure you have Node.js in a system so you can run this command. Copy this command. First npm install -g for globally and Postman CLI. Open CMD and enter command here npm install -g postman CLI. It will add this package. As you can view, adding this package. After this, we can get this Postman version changes to packages. And for update, this is the command for update npm install -d npm, and this is the version. Now we can get the version of Postman by writing command postman dash version. This is the command for getting the Postman version. Click on enter and it will show you the Postman version. Now Postman has been successfully installed. Second step is run the collection. So before running, we need to generate API key. First login with API key. So click on add API key. API key is needed to access Postman. If you want to run Postman by CLI, so you need to enter this generated key for login by CLI. Now enter here, name your API key. Just enter here SQA Vault and then click on generate. It will generate a unique key. So click on insert key. Now we need to login in Postman by CLI. So here copy this command and run it in your local terminal. Copy this command, open CMD and enter command here. We need to just click on this, copy this API key and enter Postman login and then enter this API key. Postman login and then enter key. Login in using Postman Cloud. It will open the URL in a browser waiting for authentication to complete, and we need to log in a browser for identification. Click on QA team and it will authentications successfully. Waiting for authentication to complete, and here you can view Postman CLI login successfully. Now we can run collection by this command postman collection run and then enter this API key. Copy this complete command and open CMD, enter command here postman collection run and then enter API key. Now scroll down. Running your collection login API, and here you can view iteration 1, request 2, test script 2, and assertions 8 assertions passed. This is the total run duration 2.7 second, average response time, and uploaded successfully. Now you can view runs in Postman. For view result, click on this collection and then click on runs. In the run section, you can view this is the time and the date, Postman, CLI, and we can view here all test, total 8 tests in this APIs. So here total 8 tests passed and one field we can view here report. Click on this one and this is post login API pass response status code is 200. Get user list, we have total two requests in this collection. First is login API and the second is get user. 200 response code, request successful, and here request successful, the server has responded as required. Now you do not need to open Postman if you want to run your collection by CLI. Just follow this step. Now just enter this command Postman. Here I explained, run this command Postman collection, run, and then enter API key, and your collection will be run via CLI. So that's how you can automate your Postman collection using the CLI. It is simple but very powerful feature that saves time and ensure consistent API testing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the SKO World for more tutorials on API testing and automation. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.